Maryvale, paper train. VL. G532 and VL. I'll stand back here, the velocity's moving. The velocity's going to move. They blew the air horn. They beeped the second time too. He beeped two up here. There we go. Grab another one. I was going to still photo. There you go. Ciao. Here comes the PTV. PTV. It wasn't a Metro, it was some other freighter. Bulldog's moving again. I'm going to run the platform 3 afterwards. A66 is not moving yet. I'm going to get the bags and go to platform. When this thing passes, we'll run the platform 3. Right, there goes the Maryvale paper train.